Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on ApeCoin. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that ApeCoin formed a very big and huge falling wedge pattern on a 7 days time frame chart. And at the same time, it also had another very long-term down trend line resistance as well. And this was one of those videos. And now if you take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then you can see that once again, the price line has reached very close to this down trend line resistance. And after this resistance, we have this another very long-term resistance of this falling wedge pattern as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup or Tensor, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 13th of July 2024. And you can also want the complete trade signal as well, like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of ApeCoin, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months the price line is moving inside this huge falling wedge pattern since after March 2022, you can see. And here a few weeks ago, we had a fake out from this falling wedge pattern, but the price line once again got rejected by this downtrend resistance, and at the same time it was also rejected by this long-term resistance of $2.70. That was, by the way, previously working as a support here, and now after the breakdown it is flipped into a resistance and the price and got rejected by this resistance, and now it has re-entered the same falling wedge pattern. By the way, this downtrend line resistance is a quite similar like we found here from the month of April 2023 up till the month of October 2023. And when it was moving inside this wedge, and you can see when it was dropped here at the support of this wedge, and it was quite squeezed inside the support and resistance. And at the same time, you can see that stochastic and RSI, both oscillators, were already oversold, and the price line started a very massive reversal and broke out the resistance of this wedge. That was, by the way, from this low to here, almost 170%, very massive pump, where the price line got rejected by this next downtrend line resistance and re-enter the same falling wedge pattern. This time you can see when it was dropped down here at the support of the wedge here on 5th of August, you can see that already stochastic was entered the oversold zone, and RSI already touched in the previous week here in the oversold zone. By the way, not in the previous week. In the first week of July, it was entered the oversold zone, and here it was moved very close to the oversold zone. And we also had a double bullish divergence here as well, as the price line was forming a lower than previous low. At the same time, you can see that stochastic was forming slightly higher low than previous low, and RSI was also forming higher low than previous low. If I place a trend line here, then it will be more visible to you. You can see that it was forming higher low than previous low, and the price line followed this double bullish divergence signal, bounced very well, and now it is reached the resistance of this downtrend line resistance once again. And after this rejection, the price line again dropped down, and now recently you can see that the price line is once again moved very close to this downtrend line resistance, almost about to hit this resistance. At the same time, it is also trying to break out this long-term resistance of 65.4 cents as well. If the price line breaks out this downtrend line resistance, then an imminent move can be possible up to the bigger resistance of this wedge, somewhere approximately at 70 cents. And if the price line breaks out the bigger falling wedge pattern as well, then technical long-term target for the breakout from this huge wedge will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $28 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.